Welcome back to Grow My Saving. If you're just starting your investing journey, this episode is one you don't want to miss. Because today, we're talking about the biggest mistakes beginners make in investing, the ones that can cost you time, money, and confidence. Don't worry, we've all been there. The good news, you can avoid them and grow your money the smart way. The first and most common mistake, thinking investing is a shortcut to getting rich. Many beginners jump in expecting to double their money in a few months, but investing isn't about gambling. It's about growing your money slowly, steadily, and smartly. Real investors focus on long-term growth, not short-term hype. So instead of chasing quick profits, focus on consistency, even if it's just small, regular investments. Remember, wealth builds over time, not overnight. Next, let's talk about FOMO, the fear of missing out. You see a stock trending on social media, everyone's talking about it, and suddenly you feel like you have to buy in. But here's the truth. If everyone's already talking about it, it's probably too late to get in cheap. Always do your own research before investing. Don't let trends control your financial future. Let your goals guide your choices. Another big one, putting all your money into one stock or one type of investment. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket drops, everything breaks. Diversification is your safety net. Mix it up. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, or even a savings buffer. When one investment dips, another can help balance things out. That's how smart investors protect their portfolios from big losses. This one's sneaky, letting emotions take over. When markets drop, beginners panic and sell everything. When markets rise, they rush to buy at the top. But successful investors think long-term. They stay calm during market swings and trust their plan. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Patience is your best investment tool. So let's recap. Avoid these 4 traps. Trying to get rich quick, following the crowd, not diversifying, letting emotions drive your decisions. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay patient, and your money will grow with you. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Saving. In our next episode, we'll explore how to set financial goals that actually work, so you can build your investing plan with purpose. Until then, keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing your saving.